Hey, small business owners, are you tired of that sinking feeling when you see your tax bill? What if I told you that most small businesses in the US don't actually have a tax problem? They have a planning problem. Sticking around for the next 3 minutes could save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk business structure. Are you a sole proprietor, an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp? This isn't just paperwork, folks. Each one is taxed differently, and choosing the wrong structure can mean you're handing over more money to the IRS than you need to. For example, a simple switch from a sole proprietorship to an S Corp could slash your self-employment taxes. It's a foundational decision that impacts your bottom line every single year. So, if you're not sure you've picked the right one, it's time for a checkup. Next, do you know all the different taxes you're responsible for? It's not just one lump sum. You've got federal income tax, of course. Then there are state taxes, which vary wildly from state to state. If you have employees, you're dealing with payroll taxes. If you sell products, you've got sales tax to collect and remit. And don't forget about those estimated quarterly taxes. Missing even one of these can lead to nasty penalties and interest that snowball over time. It's like a tax octopus with tentacles reaching everywhere. You need to know where each one is so you don't get squeezed. Now, for the fun part, tax deductions. This is where you can legally reduce your taxable income. Think about your home officer, you claiming it correctly. What about all those miles you drive for business? That's a huge deduction. Your software subscriptions, the new laptop you bought, and even the payments to your contractors are all potential write-offs. The key is to be strategic. It's not just about collecting receipts. It's about understanding what qualifies and tracking it meticulously throughout the year. Don't leave this money on the table. Here's the biggest mindset shift you need to make. Tax planning happens all year long, not just in April when you're scrambling to file. Real tax savings come from proactive moves you make before the year ends. For instance, should you buy that new piece of equipment in December to take the deduction now, or wait until January? Should you delay sending a big invoice until the new year to defer the income? These timing decisions can have a massive impact on your tax liability. Waiting until tax season is like trying to change the score of a game after the final whistle has blown. You have to play the game while it's happening. Finally, while DIY tax software is great for simple filings, it can't create a strategy for you. That's where a professional comes in. You need a tax strategist, not just a tax preparer. A good CPA or tax advisor will look at your entire financial picture and help you build a plan to legally minimize your taxes. They're not just filling out forms, they're finding opportunities the software can't. The investment in a strategist often pays for itself many times over in tax savings. So remember this, tax planning is how small businesses get to keep more of what they earn. It's about being proactive, not reactive. If you want more US tax and business strategies to help your business thrive, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.